Hey guys, welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the HP Mouse X1000. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It's a USB mouse, it has an optical sensor, and it has 3 buttons. That's what it tells you over here. And if you flip it on the back, so 3 buttons including a rubber scroll wheel. It's an ambidextrous mouse, so it's designed for both left or right hand usage, and you don't need any software installation or setup required. So you just plug it into your PC or your laptop and you're good to go. And let's just go ahead and unbox this. So the mouse itself comes wrapped, as you can see, in some bubble wrap. That's the mouse itself, and it comes with this protective foil on top. So it's an ambidextrous mouse, and there's the scroll wheel. Okay, so I'll just put that off to the side. And what else do you get in the box? So you have some documents and your user manual. It's your quick start guide, some documents, and that's pretty much it. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the HP Mouse X1000. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.